No diet, no exercise. How I lost belly fat in 1 week. You always think that you need to go gym and diet to lose your belly fat. But you always got no time and busy with functions to attend to. Let me share a secret on how to achieve this without any extreme diet or gym. You want to know the secret? Well, just keep on watching. But first, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will allow you to receive all the updates from our channel. We always wanted to look stunning in that body-hugging shape and feel better in front of our friends. Do you know that fat is not always the culprit when it comes to extra inches around the midsection? It's more likely to be a result of bloating and water weight. So to reduce it, you need to change your eating diet and lifestyle. These are the 7 steps to achieve a flat tummy without exercise and diet. Number 1. Get sufficient sleep. Do you know that going to bed on time and obtaining 7 to 9 hours of sleep is the best way to get started on your fitness journey? The purpose of sleep is to refresh your energy for another day. Because sleep deprivation may drive you to consume more calories than you desire or should. People who did not get enough sleep consumed 385 kilocalories more each day on average, which is similar to the calories in around 4.5 slices of bread. If this continues long term, it may contribute to weight gain. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Always begin your day with a glass of warm water to cleanse your digestive system and boost your metabolism. Because drinking water regularly helps to prevent you from eating extra calories and flush away those toxins. It means having gallons of water in a day and drinking healthy drinks like green teas with antioxidants and fresh vegetable and fruit juice. What's more, when your body is adequately hydrated, it's able to make more effective and efficient use of the energy and nutrients you do provide it. Number 3. Limit sugar. We all love sugar. But too much sugar strains the liver because simple sugars provide only a fast energy boost and do not give sustainable energy. It can lead to fat storage, and the first target is your tummy. Therefore, when you eat simple sugars, such as desserts, breads, and anything made of refined or granular sugar, the liver can cause the body to save more fat. Instead, opt for complex carbohydrates that break down more slowly and provide the body with more sustained energy, such as whole grains, oatmeal, beans, peas, and vegetables. Number 4. Eat more fiber. High-fiber veggies such as summer vegetables, as well as high-fiber fruits such as apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries, might help you feel filled faster and eat less. Viscous fiber is especially effective at suppressing hunger and food consumption. It forms a gel that slows down digestion and also prevents mid-meal binging. All that natural fiber helps your body clean of toxins, prevent constipation and bloating. Number 5. Eat more protein. Protein has powerful effects on appetite. That's why it can help you feel fuller longer, reduce hunger, and eat less calories. Your body breaks down protein at a much slower pace than it does carbohydrates and fats, so the energy it provides is more sustained. Furthermore, because of the protein's composition, it stimulates the body to generate a hormone called peptide YY, whose job is to make you feel full. Number 6. Ditch the salt. Cut down on your salt intake to help beat bloating tummies. Do you know that limiting your salt intake to 3 grams per day and eliminating all processed foods would assist your body release water that it has been storing to help neutralize high salt levels in your body? If you must use salt, buy genuine sea salt, teaspoon for teaspoon. It has less sodium than table salt. Also, avoid soy sauce, which contains a lot of sodium and causes bloating nearly immediately. You can always flavor your food with other herbs and spices. Cayenne pepper, cumin, and Tabasco sauce will also help boost your metabolism. Number 7. Chew thoroughly. Your brain requires some time to digest the fact that you've had enough to eat. Chewing your food thoroughly makes you eat more slowly, which is related to less food intake, more satiety, and smaller portion sizes. If you eat quickly and just swallow your food without chewing properly, it takes more time to break down. Therefore, it hinders your digestion, which may lead to weight gain. To get into the habit of eating more slowly, it may help to count how many times you chew each bite. Be smart and live a healthy lifestyle. Share it with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get more of our latest video. Also, do share with us your experience.